Alright, so today I thought I'd do a quick video, show you guys how I apply my decals to get them perfect with the body lines and looking good. These are the tools that I use. Obviously you'll need your decals, a pair of scissors or something to cut with, a squeegee. You can use a squeegee or just a regular old credit card, some blue painter's tape, and some rubbing alcohol and a microfiber just for cleaning. And that should be all you need. We'll get to it. Alright, we're just going to start off by cleaning the surface with a clean microfiber and some rubbing alcohol. Just to make sure there's no dirt, oil, residue on the surface. That will prevent our decal from sticking or cause any air bubbles. Alright, that looks good enough to me. For this decal, we're going to have to remove this fastener. It is a 4mm. And the decal is going to actually go behind the head of this bolt. Alright, now I'm going to just get a piece of blue painter's tape. Get you a little zoomed in here. Alright. So I want to get this perfect with these body lines, so I'm going to take and trim off as close as I can to the vinyl without cutting the vinyl on the edges, the front and rear edges, so that I can get it perfect with this front edge and this rear edge. Hope this is showing up on camera good. All right. See, I've got them trimmed. There are my scissors. Alright, so I've got it trimmed as close as I can to these edges. And I'm just gonna line it up. To me. Now I'm going to run a piece of tape right across the center. Now we're going to use what's called the hinge method. There with my scissors again. Make sure the transfer tape good. Got a good bite on the vinyl so it will separate from the backing paper. It really doesn't matter which edge, which side of the tape you start with first. Separate the two. Take my scissors. Cut that off. You can see it's pretty jagged. Doesn't really matter. Now you take your squeegee or your card. Push all the air bubbles out as you apply it. Now you can remove your tape. Make sure you don't pull up your transfer tape with it. pull it up a little. Over it one more time, make sure you don't have any air bubbles remaining. All looks good to me. Now the only thing left is this little recess spot where the bolt head goes. I just use my finger, kind of run around the edge, trying to create any wrinkles. Most of this is going to be covered up by the head of the fastener. Now simply reinsert the bolt. Good. Alright, I'll get y'all resituated and we'll do the rear. Alright, now we're going to do the rear. Similar approach. There's the decal. Going to clean panel. Rubbing alcohol. Ourselves a piece of tape. This time, because this is not as wide a decal, I'm going to run my tape across the top. So this top will act as my hinge. Last time. transfer tape. Easy peasy. Right on, dudes.